Hi my crafty friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this cloth mask, and it's very easy to make. And without any further ado, let's get started by making the template first. We have to take a piece of paper measuring 22 centimeter by 19 centimeter, and at the corners 4 centimeter, then we will join the 4 centimeter with 4 centimeter mark. After that, we'll cut the corners like this. After that, we'll fold it in half and then fold it like this. Then open it and mark 1.5 centimeter. With that 1.5 centimeter mark, we'll have the guideline to draw this semicircle, and then we will cut it down like this. And your template is ready. Now we will take two pieces of cloth and we will turn it the wrong side on both sides, and we have left 0.5 centimeter seam allowance, and we will sew all of it, only leaving this part. After sewing this part, and we have left that part, then we will cut small slits on the curvy area so that it is easier. Then we will turn it to the right side from that small opening we left. After that, we will sew that small opening we had left. Sew this part, and then we will fold it like this. After that, we will sew the two parts like this. These two parts. After sewing, it will look like this. Now the mask is almost ready. Now we will fold it like this and sew likewise on both sides like this. After sewing, it will look like this. Now we will fold it properly and attach elastics. Now I will suggest to sew a thinner elastic because it is easier to wear. Now both the elastics should be of the same length, otherwise it will be very difficult to wear. Now We will sew the both elastics like this. Now your mask is ready. Hope you like this video. I'll be back with some new interesting videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, bye.